2 thumbs up. Kel Surprise. Plugged in, turn the switch. There we go. Wow, nice white light. Turn it on again. And 2 go on. And so on, and so on, and so on. Well, there you go. Wow. And I'm putting my hands here to show that it's nice and lit. I don't know if you can see that. It's the temperature inside the garage. 14.4 Celsius. So here's the big reveal. All on at the same time. So 6 lights. So 2 here. End to end. Looks like one big long one. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. And then turn the corner and one along that wall there. I know it kind of looks goofy, not uniformed, but I think in terms of function, that's what I was aiming for, is function as opposed to unison. It brightens up the dark corners of the garage. Now if I turn on the other light, that basically does the center of the garage. We have a garage that's more bright. And then lastly under the workbench there. So I'm happy.